guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya. For any of you that are new, if you're new and viewing, welcome, and if you're returning, welcome back. In today's video, I'm reviewing this unit from Outre. I do want to say thank you to Outre for sending me this unit. I have it in the style SHANICE, and then I got it in the color too. So you guys, this is a natural texture unit, and I'm ready to see what she looks like. Okay, so opening the box, it came out of the packaging. I was like, ooh, this hair feels very soft. You open up the inside of the unit. It has a 13x6 lace frontal. It's a fully hand-tied lace wig. It also says that this unit is safe to use heat on. You can use up to 400 degrees on it. The unit is also versatile, you guys. I'm going to be showing you a middle part today. However, you can wear this with a middle part, side part. Braided top is what is shown on the advertisement, or a braided side, and you probably could pull it up as well. And then the inside of the unit, it has combs and it has adjustable straps. So this is a part of their Perfect Hairline collection. The unit also has baby hairs that are included, and then it says no plucking required. So we're getting into installing the unit. I did not pluck the unit. I wanted to wear it specifically how it came. I did not want to do anything else to it, and I wanted to see how well it was going to blend into my skin and blend into my hairline and all that good stuff. So installing the unit, I'm using my Got To Be spray, not my freeze spray. It will be in the description box below. I am living for this Got To Be spray here. It holds very good, and it does not leave that white residue behind like the Got To Be freeze spray does. This is my new jam. So if you guys haven't tried it, I suggest trying it. I've been using it now for a week straight, and I am obsessed. I have another order coming from Amazon as we speak, because I was like, okay, I gotta have a backup. That's how much I like this spray. So I did go in with the baby hairs a little bit and, you know, finesse some and make some. And for once, y'all, the baby hairs came out popping. Okay, they were like, I was feeling them. I ain't saying they perfect, but I was definitely feeling them. They came out pretty well. I like how the lace blended into my skin as well. I feel like the lace had a little bit of a darker tint to it, so I also feel like that's why it blended a lot better, and I didn't have to really do a powder situation. I did use some powder, which you will see at some point in the video, but that was just because when I sprayed my spray, I actually sprayed it directly on my forehead, and I could just see where there was like dry spray. So I went over it with my powder just to like kind of diffuse that situation there, so it wouldn't be so, you know, looking like I got a dried surface of product on my forehead. But so yeah, I like how the lace came, and I really like that it blended. I feel like you can pluck this unit a little bit more. I feel like that might be a little bit more comfortable for some people. Personally, I think it looks good without plucking it, but I also feel like I want to pluck it some, just a little bit. It's not major, but I do want to pluck it like on the sides. It's a little bit more, just a little bit more full than it is towards the middle. You're gonna see too, I struggle to get a middle part. I don't know why, but every time like I'll put my wigs on and I'm looking at myself, you know, and then I'm putting it on, it looks good, but then I go back to look at my pictures before I upload them, and I'll be like, why does my freaking middle part look sideways? But that's because my face is crooked. I do not have a symmetrical face. It is very oddly shaped. It may or may not look like it to you guys. I'm really not sure, but that's besides the point. I'm just getting off topic now. But yeah, my middle part, I was like, is this in the middle or is it not? I always, you know, go back and forth with that with myself. So into styling the unit, I did use my hot comb to just flatten out the roots a little bit. And now I'm going to show you guys the unit, how I styled it and everything, without straightening the hair. So I was like, okay, this is cute. I liked how it looked without it being straightened, but then I was like, it's still giving me like a blow dried look. Do you get what I'm saying? Like, it was giving me like a, you just blow dried your hair out and now you know you need a little bit of flat iron to bring it back to like that silk, smooth, straightened look that we all go for. So then I was like, this is cute. So I was like, oh, I really hope that, you know, when I straighten this out, it's gonna look good as well. Little did I know, once I went in and straightened out the hair, I was like, oh shoot, I really like how it looked with it being straightened as well. And it still has its really big full look. You know, I feel like that's what you may be going for when you purchase this unit. It's a bigger, fuller, straight unit, if you get what I'm saying. Like, you're getting like a blowout type of style, and even when you straighten it, you still have that nice blowout look. So to wrap all of this up, you guys, I really like this unit. Definitely a unit that I would suggest. I do not have any cons to report about this unit. If you want to consider it a con, the only thing was maybe, if you feel like it, plucking the sides of the unit, but that would be it. Everything else is perfect. There's no shedding. It's big head friendly. It feels very secure on my head. It blended without the glue. It was very blendable. It melted the baby hairs, the parting space, not needing so much powder. All of it, all in one. It is a great package deal. So, and you get your different hairstyles. So it's good. I really like this unit. Outre, you did your thing yet again. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and make sure you leave me a comment as well. If you got this far, subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and to the ones returning, I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.